is Miroslav Bilecek. Let me introduce myself. I am CEO of Navmatix company. We are very enjoyed to be here. This is our third year. We are an exhibitor here, and let me shortly introduce our portfolio. Navmatix offer three areas: GNSS software, GNSS hardware, and IoT hardware. In GNSS software, we offer RTK corrections worldwide. Our software is ready to deliver corrections in each country on the world, around the world, and is ready and customized for mass RTK data delivery for really huge number of customers. Infrastructure is ready and built in 4 data centers across the world, and is used by many thousands of concurrent customers worldwide. Other part of our portfolio is GNSS hardware, so we can produce and offer and manufacture antenna mast, routers, and especially new product which we have is our receiver, GNSS receiver. We have two versions. One is ruggedized, one is indoor version. So this is our product we offer here, and it's the first exhibition where we can show it. Last area is IoT, where we connect all different IoT sensors together with our cloud-based solution, and where we process data and visualize data, and then focus on export of this data and visualization.